So, since yesterday, I was thinking about letting go, like how difficult it is actually for people to let go of someone, something that was so dear to you. So, I really think that letting go is the most difficult and the most hardest part that we as human beings encounter because यार हमारी ना tendency होती है that we overpour our energy, our emotions into those particular set of people, those things, those memories, and even those past version of our own selves. और जब वो सच में टाइम आता है ना टू लेट गो एंड टू मूव ऑन, it's really difficult and we just get stuck into those old memories only, and we just keep on thinking that what if things would change, what if it was just a phase, and what if I'm just overthinking, maybe the reality is different. So I have one really great example to explain this. So many times our phone storage, it gets really full and we are not able to download new stuff like new apps and all, and our phone also starts to work very slowly. So in that process we either need to delete our data, like our photos that hold a lot of memories for us, but we are not able to. We just keep on getting stuck into that only, and we keep on scrolling that those photos and those particular stuff only. So I think by the end of the day, the choice is really on us, that do we want to keep on holding things so tightly that we are just getting stuck into that only, or we can clear out some space in order to let new things come into our life. And I think it's also very important for us to realize this, that letting go doesn't mean that whatever happened with us, like whatever things happened with us, like that doesn't matter to us now anymore. So people often think that if I let go of something or if I'm moving on, then maybe those things won't matter to me now. No, it's not like that. It's just that now you have finally accepted the reality. Now you are in terms with the reality. Okay, this happened with me and I am letting new things come into my life, and I'm ready for whatever future holds for me. I think that's what the entire point is.